Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you haven't been here before, we are
Creative Ginge!
I'm Jo.
And I'm Ash.
And today we are in
Koh Tao!
Welcome to our new home. So basically I'm locking the room now because Jo's forcing me to go have a Thai massage. I don't really want one, but she says it's a must.
He's scared. He's scared. Baby.
Been for our Thai massage. It was really nice actually, it was very nice. And now we've just come to our beachfront pool. No one's in it. For a little swim. It's my mum and Richard's last day here, so we're saying bye to them tomorrow. Last night even. Yeah?
Yeah, it's been lovely. Koh Tao is lovely. Look who we've spotted.
Look who it is.
Who is it?
Here's to adventure!
Richard? Yeah. Where you going? Richard? So, believe it or not, but this noise you can hear is frogs.
And they're off. That's the end of their holiday in Thailand. They've managed to see Phuket, they've managed to see Phi Phi, and they've managed to see this lovely island Koh Tao with us. We've done boat trips, we've done tuk-tuks, we've done all the bits in between. It's been absolutely amazing. And now they're going to go off to Bangkok to spend a couple of days just before they fly back home. So yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your journey.
We will indeed.
See you whenever we see you. If you get a chance to come.
So Mum and Richard have left us, so that was a bit of an emotional goodbye. And so now we're going to go into the shop and book our ticket. So we're getting the ferry, basically everything is included, 1,330 baht. That's including the ferry, the taxi transfer from our hotel, then the boat transfer to where?
Chumpon.
And then from there to this the night train up to Bangkok.
Guys! because
as always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a like.
Also, hit that bell to stay notified, and you can head over to our Instagram, It's Creative Ginge, for top travel tips and advice. See you next time.
Peace out. Creative Ginge.